Pineapple farming is a crucial industry in many tropical regions. Once harvested, the pineapples undergo a rigorous packing process to ensure they reach markets in optimal condition. A significant portion of the harvested pineapples are then transported to juice-making factories, where they are processed into delicious and refreshing pineapple juice. These factories employ advanced technology to extract the maximum juice yield while maintaining the natural flavor and nutritional value of the fruit. While pineapple plants are typically grown in tropical climates, they can also be propagated in a laboratory setting through a process called tissue culture. This technique involves taking a small piece of plant tissue, such as a leaf or stem segment, and placing it in a sterile environment with specific nutrients and growth hormones. Under controlled conditions of light, temperature, and humidity, the plant cells can be induced to divide and multiply, forming a mass of undifferentiated cells called a callus. This callus can then be manipulated to regenerate into a complete plantlet, which can eventually be transferred to a greenhouse or field for further growth and development. Tissue culture offers several advantages over traditional methods of pineapple propagation, including the ability to produce disease-free plants, to multiply desirable varieties quickly, and to obtain plants that are genetically uniform. Thorough soil preparation is essential for successful pineapple farming. Farmers often employ tractors to till the land, breaking up compacted soil and incorporating organic matter. This process aerates the soil, improves drainage, and creates a suitable environment for root growth. Many pineapple farmers utilize a sustainable practice known as biochar. Biochar is produced by heating organic materials like wood or coconut husks in the absence of oxygen, creating a highly stable form of carbon that can be added to the soil. When incorporated into the soil, biochar enhances water retention, improves nutrient availability, and promotes beneficial microbial activity. This combination of tractor-assisted soil preparation and the application of biochar creates a fertile and resilient growing medium for pineapple plants, leading to increased yields and healthier crops. Mulching is a valuable agricultural practice that offers numerous benefits for pineapple farming. By applying a layer of organic or inorganic material around the base of pineapple plants, farmers can effectively suppress weeds, conserve soil moisture, regulate soil temperature, and prevent erosion. Black plastic mulch is a popular choice, as it effectively blocks sunlight, inhibiting weed growth and reducing water evaporation. Harvesting pineapple suckers and slips for new plant propagation involves careful selection and handling. Suckers, which emerge from the base of the mother plant, are typically preferred due to their faster growth and larger fruit size. Slips found at the base of the fruit are often more vigorous but may take longer to mature. When harvesting, it's crucial to select healthy, well-developed suckers or slips with a strong root system. They should be carefully detached from the mother plant, ensuring minimal damage to the plant tissue. The harvested material is then typically transferred to a nursery bed for further development before being transplanted to the main field. Proper handling and care during this process are essential to ensure the survival and successful establishment of the new pineapple plants. Pineapples can be propagated through suckers and slips, both of which are plantlets that emerge from the base of the mother plant. Suckers are larger and form after fruiting, while slips are smaller and grow from the base of the fruit itself. To cultivate these, select healthy plantlets, detach them carefully, and prepare them by removing dead leaves. Plant them in well-drained soil, water regularly, and provide ample sunlight. Pineapples require consistent moisture but are susceptible to overwatering. Water deeply once a week, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. To increase humidity, spray the leaves lightly with water once or twice a week, especially during dry periods. Avoid spraying the crown to prevent rot. The pineapple flower is actually a cluster of many individual flowers that bloom together. After pollination, these flowers fuse together to form the pineapple fruit. Each individual flower contributes to a segment of the pineapple, which is why the fruit has a segmented appearance. Black sheets effectively block sunlight, preventing weed seeds from germinating and growing beneath them, making them a popular choice for weed suppression in agricultural settings. Black sheets can help reduce moisture evaporation from the soil, which can be beneficial in arid climates. It's crucial to acknowledge the limitations of this method. Black sheets offer minimal protection against extreme cold or heat and can significantly increase soil temperatures in hot weather, potentially harming plant roots. If the sheet is too tightly sealed around the plants, it can trap moisture and impede proper air circulation, leading to suffocation and fungal diseases. While beneficial for weed control, black sheets completely obstruct sunlight from reaching the soil, which can hinder the growth of beneficial soil organisms and make it challenging to cultivate plants directly beneath the sheet. The process of harvesting these tropical treasures is both meticulous and rewarding. With a sharp knife in hand, farmers carefully cut the ripe pineapples from the sturdy plants, ensuring the crown remains intact. Each pineapple is a testament to months of hard work, nurtured through sunlight, rain, and diligent care. As they move along the rows, the farmers place the freshly harvested fruits into sturdy wicker baskets strapped to their backs or carried alongside them. These baskets, woven with precision to endure the weight of multiple pineapples, gradually fill up, their golden hues contrasting beautifully with the earthy tones of the soil. Once the baskets are brimming with pineapples, the farmers make their way to a designated collection point. There, the fruits are gently emptied onto a conveyor belt system, an ingenious machine designed to streamline the next phase of the process. The conveyor belt, a critical piece of machinery, hums steadily as it carries the pineapples onward. This machine not only saves time but also minimizes the physical strain on the workers, allowing them to focus on other essential tasks. The pineapples arranged neatly on the moving belt are carefully inspected as they travel along, ensuring only the finest fruits make it to the next stage. The conveyor belt leads directly to a vehicle station nearby, typically a large truck designed to accommodate significant quantities of produce. The vehicle's spacious bed is lined with protective material to prevent damage to the pineapples during transport. As the fruits roll off the conveyor belt and into the vehicle, workers stationed at the loading area make final adjustments to ensure the load is evenly distributed. This attention to detail is crucial as it prevents bruising and ensures the pineapples remain in pristine condition. The farmers continue their harvesting cycle, seamlessly blending traditional methods with modern technology. Their synchronization with the conveyor system highlights the efficient integration of manual labor and mechanization in agricultural practices. The entire process, from hand harvesting to machine-assisted transportation, reflects the farmer's dedication to quality and sustainability. Each pineapple loaded into the vehicle is destined for markets, processing plants, or export facilities, where they will eventually reach consumers worldwide. This harmonious combination of human effort and technology not only maximizes productivity but also underscores the importance of preserving the farmer's age-old expertise. Their knowledge of when a pineapple is perfectly ripe, their skill in handling the fruit delicately, and their ability to work tirelessly under the sun are irreplaceable. The conveyor belt and vehicle merely enhance the efficiency of this traditional craft, ensuring that the journey of each pineapple from the field to the market is as smooth and efficient as possible. In this way, the farmer's dedication to their work shines as brightly as the tropical sun that nourishes their crops, bringing the delicious taste of pineapples to tables around the world. After the pineapples are harvested and transported to the processing area, they are placed on a conveyor belt for washing and cleaning. The conveyor system, designed for efficiency, gently carries the pineapples through a series of cleaning stages. Rotating brushes with soft but durable bristles scrub the surface of each pineapple, removing dirt, dust, and any residual debris from the fields. Jets of clean water spray over the fruits as they move along, ensuring thorough rinsing and leaving them spotless. The brushes and water work together to maintain the pineapples' natural texture and preserve their delicate skin. After the washing process, the pineapples are moved onto a conveyor belt system that directs them toward two different processes. One of these is the packing process, where laborers carefully handle the clean and fresh pineapples. As the fruits move along the conveyor belt, the workers inspect each pineapple for quality, ensuring only those that meet the standards are selected for packing. They pay close attention to the size, shape, and ripeness of each fruit, removing any that show signs of damage or imperfections. The selected pineapples are then placed into sturdy boxes directly from the conveyor belt. These boxes are lined with protective materials such as foam or paper to prevent the fruits from getting bruised or damaged during transportation. The workers ensure that the pineapples are arranged neatly and securely in the boxes, maximizing space while maintaining safety. Once packed, the boxes are sealed, labeled with important details such as weight, grade, and origin, and prepared for shipment. This conveyor belt-assisted packing process not only speeds up the workflow, but also ensures that every pineapple is handled with care, maintaining its quality for consumers. Once the pineapples are carefully packed into boxes, they are stored in a cool, dry storage room to preserve their freshness until they are ready for transport. During this storage phase, the boxes are stacked neatly to optimize space and facilitate easy access when it's time for shipment. After the pineapples have been stored for the necessary duration, they are transported to local country markets as well as international markets. Specialized vehicles, depending on the destination, are used to transport the packed pineapples. For local distribution, the fruit is delivered to nearby markets, grocery stores, and supermarkets where it will be sold to consumers. For international shipments, the boxes of pineapples are carefully loaded into shipping containers, often refrigerated to ensure the fruits maintain their quality over long distances. These containers are then sent to various global destinations, including wholesalers and processing plants in different countries. The pineapples are exported to meet the demands of consumers worldwide. The global transportation network, combined with careful handling and monitoring during storage and shipment, ensures that these tropical fruits reach their destination in top condition. After the washing process, the second path for the pineapples leads to juice production, which involves transforming the fresh fruit into delicious natural juice. Once cleaned, the pineapples are placed onto a conveyor belt that steadily moves them toward the juice-making machine. At the end of the conveyor belt, the pineapples are fed into the juice-making machine. This machine is equipped with advanced mechanisms that peel, core, and blend the fruit efficiently. The pineapples are first processed to separate the inedible parts, such as the tough outer skin and central core, from the juicy flesh. The extracted pineapple flesh is then blended into a smooth, refreshing juice within the machine. To maintain quality, the machine often filters the juice to remove pulp or small particles, depending on the desired texture and consistency of the final product. Once blended and filtered, the juice is either immediately packaged into bottles or cartons for distribution or sent for further processing, such as pasteurization, to extend its shelf life. This streamlined process from washing to blending ensures that the juice retains the natural sweetness and vibrant flavor of fresh pineapples, ready to be enjoyed by consumers worldwide. After the pineapple juice is prepared, it moves to the filling and packing section. Once ready, the juice flows into an automated filling machine. This machine is designed to precisely pour the juice into pre-sterilized boxes, ensuring consistent quantities and preventing spillage. With its natural sweetness and vibrant taste, pineapple juice not only quenches thirst, but also provides a healthy dose of vitamins and nutrients. Each sip is a testament to the hard work and care taken by farmers, workers, and processors to deliver a product that delights people around the world.